Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nolan here, and I just got a package in the mail today, and if it is what I believe it is, then I think the Arrma Kraton EXB is going to be back in action very, very soon. Alright guys, so here's the package right here. I don't think I need anything to cut it. Let's see if I can do this one-handed while I'm holding the camera. It's on there kind of tight. Wait, there we go. Totally suck if this isn't what I think it is. Pretty sure it is. It looks like about the right dimensions. Alright. And I believe that is exactly what it is. And yes. Here we go, guys. Some replacement wheels for the EXB. You know what happened to the last ones. The last ones got completely, well, just one of them, but last one, the hex got completely destroyed. So I bought another set of the Copperhead 2s. Now, I thought about, here, let me set the phone down for one quick second. Alright guys, now I considered going with a different wheel and tire setup. But I thought since I only rounded out the hex on one of them, it might be better just to get a replacement set. So then if I do round out another one, I'll have another one of these to throw on. So basically, now I'll be down to 3 spares after using this one. And if I keep on tearing them up with that that diff locked in the rear, then I can use these as replacements and they all look the same. So that's why I kind of did that instead of going with a whole different package. I considered going with some Pro-Line ones with the Badlands, but I think we're just going to stick with this, and maybe it was kind of just a fluke. So I just want to show that to you guys, that this came in the mail. So the Arrma Kraton EXB should be ready to go the next time I take it out. So hopefully you guys like this video. Give that thumbs up if you liked it. I mean, it's not really the biggest reveal video, but I did have to wait about a week for these to show up. And I think I got all 4 of them for roughly like 60 bucks. I'm actually, real quick, I'm going to throw this on the Arrma Kraton EXB and show you guys. It's not really going to look any different, but I will do it anyway. Alright guys, I just put the replacement wheel on. Can you tell which one the new one is? Taking a look at these. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. Got the new one on. Went on just fine, and here's the one I took off of it, and there is the inside of that hex. It's gone. I actually had it completely cinched down so tight that it was actually holding. I actually had trouble getting that wheel nut back off. Anyhow guys, thank you guys for watching. This thing's ready to go again. I'll see you guys in the next running video. Later.